Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba ukuthi-ke uyaphila-ke. Mina-ke nje engizocela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke mawukuthi-ke usamusha-ke kulona-ke ikhathi-ke leli-ke noma ukuthi-ke uyaqala ungena kulona-ke wenze nje okulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini u-subscribe nje akubizi imali kumahhala nje ukhishwe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi phela ukuthi-ke uqhubeke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizobe ngikufakela zona-ke kulona-ke ikhasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke zingakho futhi lezo zindawo ongenza njengamanje ukuthi-ke baba-ke ucindezela-ke ibhathini u-subscribe njengamanje-ke. Udaba lethu lona-ke namhlanje-ke laphana lithi sikufonelwe-ke abezimo-ke ey'phuthumayo-ke laphana-ke bakwaRUSA-ke ngesimo-ke esibi-ke esenzeke eNanda-ke. Bese bengena kwikhasi labo-ke ku-Facebook-ke babhala-ke laphana-ke bathi, "A man murdered for cell phone in Nanda, KZN. An unidentified man was killed for his cell phone in Vice City in Nanda, KZN this morning, Sunday. The reaction unit South Africa, RUSA Phoenix operators sent received a call of a shooting incident at approximately 07:32. Reaction officers were immediately dispatched and on arrival found the lifeless body of a man lying on Mbuso Shangase Road. He has been shot multiple times in the chest and his right hand. Witness informed reaction officers that a lone suspect approached the deceased. He pronounced a firearm and demanded his cell phone. The victim was murdered after he refused to hand over his valuables. The suspect deprived the man of his cell phone after the shooting and fled on foot. The identity of the deceased has not been established." Kuthiwa-ke laphana-ke ubebanjwa-ke inkunzi-ke laphana ngenkathi-ke eze edutshulwa-ke ebulawa-ke ngoba-ke lo omdubulile-ke ufike wakhangeza-ke wacela-ke iselfoni-ke shuthi-ke wabe-ke esegoloza-ke wangavuma ukuthi-ke adedele-ke iselfoni yakhe kalula-ke laphana-ke wabe-ke esemdubula-ke embulala-ke. Lokhu-ke kwenzeke laphana-ke eNanda e-KZN. Mina ngizicela lapha nema-comment section usho uvo lwakho ukuthi wena-ke ucabangani-ke ngalo-ke udaba-ke lolu-ke besikwenze okulungile nje. Ungixhase-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini u-subscribe nje akubizi imali kumahhala nje ukhishwe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi phela ukuthi-ke uqhubeke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ey'shisayo ngizolobe ngikufakela zona-ke kulona-ke ikhasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje.